Okay, we will now discuss the next building service, that is conveyor system. Okay, can you see in this diagram? So this conveyor system or conveyor mechanism is generally used to transport the material, goods, packings. Okay, so all are transported using conveyor system. Now, in this one, we can see it is a system. Conveyor system is a common piece. It is a common piece for mechanical handling and equipment that moves material from one location to another location. Okay, so it's a system of a common piece of mechanical handling equipment that moves material from one location to another location. Okay, so conveyors are especially useful in applications. These are useful in applications involving the transportation of heavy and bulky material. So these are involved in transportation of heavy and bulky material. Okay, so these systems allow quick and efficient transportation. These allow quick and efficient transportation for a wide variety of material, for a wide variety of materials, which make them very popular. So, which make them very popular in material handling and packaging industry. Very useful in the material handling and package industry. Now, what shall be they use? They also have a popular consumer application where, as they are often used in supermarkets. So they are generally used in supermarkets, airports, constituting this final leg of item, bag delivery system to the customers. Bag delivery system to the customers. Okay. Now, see, conveyors are a common sight at airports, scrapyards, and many other locations. These are common sites, okay? Airports, scrapyards, many other locations, mining industry, okay? They are useful wherever items need to be transported. So, items wherever movement is there, they are useful. Fed from one place to another, making the process easier, faster, and more convenient. Very conveniently, they can transport. Human labor is a lot less efficient because continuous movement using human labor is not going to work. Okay, so not very effective, not very cost effective in the long run. In the long run. Now, in order to overcome these and other challenges, commercial conveyors are used. Commercial conveyors are used in variety of industries. In variety of industries like food, pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, and transportation. So, in these sectors, these generally conveyor systems are used. Okay. Now you can see this one uses part, common uses. So conveyor systems are used widespread across a range of industries due to numerous benefits. They provide numerous benefits to the industry. So these are able to safely transport the materials from one level to another level, from maybe horizontal, maybe vertical, which when done by human labor would be very stressful and expensive. So compared to human labor, the conveyor system works out to be very cheap. Okay. Now they can be installed almost anywhere they can be installed, and are much safer than using a forklift. Forklift is the one instrument. This forklift is an one instrument where the vertical movement of the goods and men are possible. Okay, or other machine to move the materials. It's very safer. Okay, conveyor system. They can move loads all shapes. They can move the loads of all shapes, all sizes, all weights. Okay, and also many have advanced safety features that help to prevent accidents. So accident prevention safety measures are also included here. Okay. Now, conveyor systems are more commonly used in many industries, where in mining, in automotive, in agriculture, in computer industry, electronic industry, food processing industry, aerospace, pharmaceutical, chemical, bottling industry, canning industry, printing, finishing, and packaging. So you name anything. So lot of industry, these are convenience systems are generally used. Okay. Now, although a wide variety of materials can be conveyed. Okay, that wide variety is possible. Some of the most common materials include what? Food items, very very important. Food items are commonly used conveyor systems such as beans, nuts, bottles, cans. Okay, other things, automotive components. Okay, scrap metal, pills, powders, wood furniture, grain, and animal feed. So these many applications it is giving. Okay. Now can you see this one? First type you can see, this is a conveyor system. This is called as a chute system. Okay, gravity system. Gravity system generally it is adopted. See here what is happening. Gravity conveyor means there is no power is adopted, so due to the gravity it will come spiral way. Okay, like this it will come and deposit here. So from the top of floors the material is fed and it is moved along this path spiral way, but its movement is due to gravity. Okay, so now this, the name of this is chute conveyor, employs smooth and flat surface to limit friction and encourage movement down the line. So this movement is going to happen. So these are called as roller conveyors. Roller roller conveyors uses a series of rollers. These uses a series of rollers accomplish forward motion. Okay, this is maybe power driven, but this is gravity driven. Okay, so roller type of conveyors. So here wheel conveyors are also possible. No, so wheel conveyors have have row after row stake wheels. Okay, skate wheels to drive the inventory or items. So these have wheels over them. Okay. Now this is a power conveyor, means what? There is a system, electrical connection or mechanical connection through which this system runs. Okay, this is not going to work with gravity. This is due to power or electrical power. Okay, see here belt conveyors may be the most familiar conveyor of all type. This is the conveyor, belt conveyor. Okay, so on this top continuous loop is running. Okay, the continuous flat surface moves across the rollers in endless loop. So there is no start and end for this one. So it is continuous movement of this flat belt. Okay, so which transports the material. So accumulation conveyors manage loads by slowing them down and gathering items in certain area. Suddenly the speed of this movement slow down. Some people can pick up the things and transport it wherever required. So slow movement can also possible here. So chain conveyors typically used with heavier loads. See belt conveyor for normal goods, chain conveyors generally used for heavier goods. Only the material is changed, such as pallets, large container. Okay, so like that it can be used. Now classification based on mechanical components used and their function. So some of the mechanical components are used, so we can go for one by one. Generally we call them as a pneumatic conveyor system. First one is pneumatic. What is happening here? So in this pneumatic system uses pipes and ducts. So pneumatic means pipes and ducts will come. So these are called as transportation lines that carry mixture of material. This carries mixture of material and stream of air. So in that pipe some fluid like structure is moving. So these materials are free flowing powdery materials like cement, like fly ash. So these to transfer this pneumatic conveyor systems are used. If you see the next slide, that the diagram is there. So the products are moved through air pressure. In the tubes air pressure is applied, so it is going to move. So some pneumatic conveyors are either carrier systems or dilute systems. So they may be powder, maybe fluid mixture powder. Okay, see these carrier systems simply push items from one entry point to one exit point. So carrier system just push through the air pressure such that everything moves, such as money exchanging pneumatic tubes. So in banks generally these people are going to use this one. Okay, so it's called as a bank drive through window. Bank drive through window. Suddenly you keep the notes through pressure, the notes, the bundles will move from one side to another side. You see this one pneumatic. So the key point here is they use pipes or ducts. Along with that they use material plus pipe air. So can you use this one? So here some cement comes, some fly ash comes. So in the mixture it is applied, air pressure applied here and it will go and deposit here. So this is one typical example for pneumatic pressure conveyor system.